I don't think I can. What? Oh my god!
That's all the noise she said.
Why are we recording ourselves recording ourselves? I mean, why are we recording each other recording each other? That's it.
Really? You guys are so stupid.
Each other? Oh my god.
Stupid. Okay. Why are you both recording me? What the hell? Wow.
You two asses. That's what she said. No, that's what he said. That she said. No. Ew, I'm not.
Bob, shut the fuck up.
Woo! Work that pole, boy.
No photography, please.
Oh, damn. Do it. Take it off. Look, he pissed on himself. Whoa.
What?
Ah! Your turn. Ah!
I'm not catching you again.
Hey, your
I'm
turn.
not following.
Your turn.
Where are you going?
Your turn.
Where are you going?
It's not.
No, last time you grabbed it, it deleted.
I didn't know that was not me.
No.
We're gonna have another snow fight.
Oh no.
No, but there's more fun or we can miss more.
How about gun? Right here. Oh, no, that went behind you.
It went in my shirt! That's what she said. That's what she said. Fuck you up. Alright, fuck you down.